Episode 7 Docker Compose. As your applications grow, managing multiple containers manually becomes tedious and error-prone. Docker Compose solves this beautifully. Without Compose, starting a 3-service app, web, database, and cache requires running 5 or more commands in the exact right order with all the right flags. Get one flag wrong and nothing works. Share the project with a teammate, and they have to figure all this out too. Docker Compose solves this with a single YAML file that describes your entire application. One command, docker compose up, and everything starts in the right order. The docker-compose.yml file is structured around services. Each service becomes a container. The services section is where you define each component. Under each service, you specify the image or build context, port mappings, environment variables, volumes, and dependencies. The volumes section at the top level declares named volumes that persist data. And if you omit the network section, Compose automatically creates one for you. Let's look at a real-world 3-tier web application, a Flask web service, a Postgres database, and a Redis cache. The web service uses build, telling Compose to build from the local Docker file. Depends_on ensures Postgres and Redis start first. Environment variables inject connection details. Because all services are on the same Compose network, they reach each other simply by service name, Postgres, and Redis. The PG data volume is declared and mounted to ensure database data persists even when you run Docker Compose down. Here are the commands you'll use daily. Docker Compose up-d starts everything in detached mode in the background. Docker Compose logs f streams live logs from all services, which is invaluable for debugging. Docker Compose down stops and removes containers but keeps your volumes. Add v to also delete volumes for a completely clean slate. Finally, Docker Compose up-d build rebuilds images before starting, which you'll use after making Dockerfile changes. Summary: Docker Compose transforms multi-container management from a headache into a single YAML file. You have one command to start, one to stop, and one to see logs. Next, managing environment variables and secrets safely.